Hello, welcome to Lee Shaw's Lazy Jackson Lunches. This is Dave Rubetts and Dave Oliver, a couple of old yacht masters. We love sailing and we love good grub, and we'd like to invite you to join us on a discovery of the best hidden pubs that you can sail to in the south of England. So we're going to the Hamble.
I think we're going to the Hamble.
We've researched a pub called the King and Queen, I think.
Yeah, a friend of mine has researched the pub. Oh, it's you. Called the King and the Queen. Cameraman on this particular vlog has researched the King and Queen, and apparently that's where we're headed. We are going to check if there's a non-marina anchorage or mooring we can take. So we'll no doubt update you on that in due course. But here's the challenge. It's 20 to 10, about 10 minutes ago at best. Pardon? Yeah, 10 minutes ago at best we managed to plug the electrics in. So what had happened, the cameraman will show you is...
I'm going to tell this story. We've been here a little while, basically, sipping tea, not sailing.
Yeah.
Should have been sailing some time ago. And the reason is that when you leave a boat, it's very important you switch the batteries off and you don't leave your fridge on, because if you don't switch your batteries on and you leave your fridge on, if you make two mistakes like that, when you next get to the boat, you turn your batteries on and discover you've got no power, can't start the engine, can't do anything except turn the gas on and make a cup of tea, put your charger on and wait for goodness knows how long we'll be sailing. We'll update you, but I mean it will update you every 45 minutes till we get going. I think that's summarised it.
Yeah, it's reasonably accurate.
Of course, Skipper won't take any of the blame for this.
No,
Still here, by the way. Right, the kettle's gone cold, tea's gone cold, everything's gone cold. I'm getting cold. Been waiting long enough, we're going to give it a try. Let you know in a few minutes. Here he comes. He cleaned the floor in there.
Right, let's go.
It's raining and he's left the hatch open, so we've got soaking wet floor in there. What can you do? Yeah.
Look at that old thing coming out. Oh, you'll see the aircraft carrier, by the way.
Queen Elizabeth.
Affectionately known already as Big Liz, by the way.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, so here's the plan. We're going to leave Gosport Marina. We're going to head off down Portsmouth Harbour. We're going to keep ballast beacon to our port side and exit through the mouth of the harbour. We're then going to turn to starboard and continue up the inner swashway because it's approaching high tide. We have plenty of water. We're going to around Gilkicker Point. At that stage we'll have the wind in the right place to unfurl our sails and head off down the eastern Solent. We're going to take the North Channel, keeping to the middle of the channel here past Hill Head, and continue into Southampton Water past Hook, where we're going to enter into Hamble River. At Hamble River we're going to take the main fairway down, looking not for Hamble Point Marina, but for the second marina here, Port Hamble. Now there are a couple of yacht clubs here, so we're going to see if we can get a lunchtime stop at one of these hammerheads, and the pub that we want to visit is just a little bit behind these two yacht clubs. That hood is the closest we're going to get to sunshine today. English summers. Wee bit more. I'll tell you, it's nuts. It was August yesterday. August. I've just come below to find some gloves. It's that cold. Ridiculous. Look at this beautiful barge coming along, overtaking us. Stunning. Say that again, the camera.
I don't like this. I want to put my engine on. I want to beat it.
You want to cheat by putting your engine on?
Yeah.
Because the heaviest boat on the Solent right now is steaming past you. Steaming past this old tub. Nice little boat, that one, isn't it? Okay, we're just entering Hamble River. We pass Hamble Point Southerly Cardinal in the middle of a screen. As we continue up, we see that there's an easterly cardinal beacon, and very important that we don't go west or north of that too much. As you can see, it dries quite quickly.
Now, Isabel, get up. Isabel, you remember you asked me that question? You got with you, yeah?
Yeah. So we've changed our minds, haven't we?
I think so.
We came down here a little while ago, went to the Jolly Sailor, and while we were there we spotted a little floating restaurant off of the Elephant Boatyard, and it looked quite pleasant, so we're going to go down there and see if they're open and see if we can get in.
You know, as I'm about to go on safari, Elephant Boatyard, feels like there's a useful connection.
We're actually quite cold.
Freezing.
My gloves are wet, didn't help. A lot of boats in the Hamble, eh?
This is quite a long river.
Yeah, 30 minutes to the end.
30, is it? We'll have the tide with us on the way
The
out.
same as the Bewley.
He's washing his bottom.
So we can see the elephant on the green building.
Yeah.
There should be some pontoons just a little bit further around, if you remember. The pontoons were completely full up, rafted 3 deep, apart from this nice big blue-hulled yacht who allowed us to raft up against him for an hour or two while we had lunch. It's been 7 or 8 minutes I've been watching him trying to get his jacket on.
Right,
That
we're
was
away.
painful. Cruising. So it's a floating barge. Very colourful floating barge. A ferry, it's at the Elephant Boatyard.
In the Hamble. What's
Hamble.
really important to note is when you're sailing, you want to eat really healthily. You want light meals, things that give you just enough protein but no excess of carbs. Thank you very much.
So what are you suggesting mine isn't that? Nice place. There was sandwiches and lunches, light lunches. There's some pretty decent main courses.
Salami.
Cheap. Here's a quick look at the menu. Starters and sharing platters. Main courses and side dishes. Food was really, really excellent, well produced. horses in with tea.